Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the remaining part of furane compound. In the last lecture, we are going to discuss the introduction of syllabus, structure, properties and one synthesis of furane compound. Now, first we will discuss the synthesis of furane based Burney synthesis. The starting compound is alpha haloketone reacts with activated ketone or beta ketoester in presence of base NaOH or formation of substituted furane ring. Okay. The mechanism of fast Burney synthesis. First, the reaction of beta ketoester reacts with base NaOH. First, abstract this hydrogen and the formation of carbanion. Okay, next this carbanion attack on electron deficient carbonyl carbon and the formation of this structure. Next, loss of this proton, this bond shifted here O minus or this negative charge attack on here and depart of Cl minus. Okay, and the formation of this structure and byproduct is HCl. Okay, next the dehydration, loss of water molecule and the formation of furane ring, substituted furane ring. Okay, next synthesis of furane from carbohydrate. Okay, pentose, it is a carbohydrate and the structure of pentose is here OH, H, OH, H, OH, H and CH2OH. Okay, pentose means 5 carbon. Okay, in presence of acid and the formation of furfural. Okay, and depart of or dehydration of 3 water molecule. Okay, and the formation of structure furfural. Next, the reduction in presence of stem and calcium oxide and the formation of structure furane. Okay, this is structure of furane. Next, the electrophilic substitution reaction. This is structure of furan. Okay, and the electrophile attacks on C2 position and C3 position. Okay, here the numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, first the electrophile attack on C2 position here. Okay, and the formation of this structure. Next, this bond shifted here and stabilize the positive charge. Okay, and formation of this structure. Next, the lone pair of oxygen shifted here and stabilize the tertiary secondary carbocation and formation of this structure. Next, loss of this proton, this bond shifted here, this bond shifted here and this bond shifted on oxygen atom and stabilize the positive charge on oxygen and the formation of structure like this. here electrophile. Okay. Next, the electrophile attack on C3 position here. Okay. And the formation of this structure. Next, the lone pair of oxygen shifted here and stabilized the positive charge and formation of this structure. Next, loss of this proton, this bond shifted here and this bond shifted here. Okay, and stabilize the positive charge on oxygen atom and the formation of structure like this. Electrophile attack on C3 position. Okay, but C2 position is more favorable than C3 position because the C2 attack give more resonating structure, okay, than C3. C2 will give 3 resonating structure and C3 give 2 resonating structure. Okay. Therefore, extra stable contributing structure generate upon C2 attack. Therefore, furan undergo electrophilic substitution reaction at second position. Okay. Next, the electrophilic substitution reaction from furan. First is a nitration. Next is a sulfonation, halogenation and alkylation. Okay. The nitration reaction will give the 2-nitrofuran. It is a major product and this is a minor product, 2,5-dinitropfuran. Okay. Next, the sulfonation will give the 2-sulfone furan. Next, halogenation in presence of Cl2Br2 and the formation of 2-chlorofuran or 2-bromofuran. Next, the alkylation reaction and will give this product. Okay. Next, the reduction of furan. Okay. The structure of furan in presence of H2 nickel and the formation of tetrahydrofuran. Okay, tetrahydrofuran, it is used as solvent. Okay. Next, the Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction, it is a 4+2 cycloaddition reaction. Okay. It is structure of furan and it is a dimethyl malate. Furan, it is a diene. Okay, and dimethyl malate, it is a dienophile. In presence of heat, the formation of adduct. Okay. And diene, it is a electron rich and dienophile, it is a electron deficient. Okay. The mechanism of Diels-Alder reaction. It is electron rich and electron deficient. Okay. Therefore, this bond attack on here, this bond shifted here and this bond shifted here and the formation of structure like this and it is called as adduct. Okay, in presence of heat or thermal condition. Okay, and Diels-Alder reaction, exo compound, it is a major compound than endo compound because exo compound is a major compound because it is a thermodynamically stable compound. Okay.